me off guard when you called me up. Told me that you found someone else to fuck. It was on my birthday a week ago. Happy birthday to me. Laying on the couch watching Parks and Rec, drowning all the pain in a can of Becks, trying not to feel sorry for myself. I wanted to forget you so bad that I tried till I couldn't feel the weight of my tongue. I shouted till I couldn't feel the air in my lungs. I wanted to regret you so bad. I was skydiving, high flying, running away, too scared to admit that I was lying to myself. Lying to myself. Dancing on the